Abubo or yam and vegetable sauce is one of the most traditional foods from Igbo land, Nigeria. Traditional Igbo men love this food so much. Hint, hint, it is so easy to prepare. First, rinse and put the ukpaka in a foil bag. Wash and tie up the vegetables like this. We normally use Nigerian pumpkin leaves to prepare this, but I used spinach. We'll be cooking the yam with the back, so it's very important to wash the yam thoroughly with a sponge till it's squeaky clean. Everything ready, let's cook this. That's it! To eat, peel the yam, slice and dip in the vegetable sauce. Yum, yum, yum!